Everyone, welcome back to Winterfell Camp with me, Lad from the Woods. It is Saturday, January, I think it's the 4th. Anyways, I just thought I'd do a quick update. Just to update you on the wood stove. Everything's been working fine with that. Keeping the place toasty. I've got her pretty much dialed in. Meaning I've got it down like today. With the bigger chunks of wood. I'm actually using 16-inch chunks in this, which I wasn't doing before because it wasn't burning right with the curbs, and I thought they were too big to go in there, but no, they're working out just fine. So just trying to get the keys for the truck here, because I'm gonna run down to my mom's and get her newspaper. Forgot it's Saturday, it's dump day. Not today. We're going next weekend to the dump finally. I've got the weekend planned out. Gonna get some firewood. See, it's been snowing a little bit, but nothing. But anyways, I've already gone through, well, that first row, you can see, is that was up to the top and to the end there. So I've gone through that and a part of that. So I've still got all that. That'll be fine. That's lots. Until next weekend, but I'm definitely going to go get some wood next Saturday. So what else? Yeah, I'm not even going to bother with the 14-inch stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and get some dry stuff. There's a guy close by here that's selling 2-year-old stuff for, I think he said $90 a face cord for mixed hardwood. So I'll check when I get there. A lot of the times these people try to put stuff over, and then it's like I walk in, they don't realize, I was one of the biggest ones around here with Jamie. So anyways, so we're gonna grab a face cord of wood. I'll just grab a face cord at a time for now. Gotta go up to True's and get my splitter and my chainsaw. I'm gonna get that done. I was hoping he would figure it out that, we parted ways kind of quietly, and bring me my stuff. But like I say, from the word go, feel like I've been disrespected, and I think that's exactly what's been going on. So anyways, whatever, it's in the past. I'll just get my stuff and get out of there, and I'm swallowing the $500. Nothing else I can do, He's not rich, and I can still think of the world of him. It's just, not the way things have gone down. So, I'll be back. I'm not going to drive with this, obviously, in my hand. You guys really don't need to see me, getting my mom her paper, do you? We've done that already. All right, I'll see you. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Hi, everyone, I'm back. So that's all done. My mom's happy. I was looking for a steel, for ashes and stuff with a handle so that I can, every time I need to empty the ash bucket. So anyway, I didn't want to go purchase a bucket, but my mom was throwing this away, so I'm going to repurpose it. It's an old Dutch oven, but it's old. I wouldn't cook in it anymore or anything like that. So can you guys see that? There. Oh, that's the top. I actually could put a little knob on the top, but I don't need it to use the top. I'm just gonna, put my ashes in as I go along, and then, I'll carry it outside. And I got a couple places I feel safe about dumping ashes. This time of year, it's not a big deal. So I could even throw it into my fire pit if I wanted. So anyways, yeah, that's about it for the moment. I've got to, dig through the shed. I got to get one of my my plant for my plants, like the soft pot thing, cloth pot, because the guy came and exchanged the wrong box now for the right box of the Coco Core perlite mix. So we're gonna get going on that. Actually, I think I'll start germinating the seed today. Let's see. So yeah, that's what's going on here. So far, I'm happy with the wood usage. From what I've been seeing, my usage, and it's cold. I mean, it's minus 15 Celsius right now. So, well, cold by American standards, not by our standards. I'm out here. How do I show this to you? I'm out here in my big boots, keep my feet dry. But can you see? I'm in my shorts because I don't, I don't find it cold now. I'm getting very acclimated. I'm ready for ice fishing, actually. Anyway, yeah. So far everything's been working good. The hot water system's still working good. No problems. Tank is full. Now I'm not running the propane furnace anymore. And I'm not running the electric heat either. No, I haven't been running either the one that that was always running until the wood stove was fixed. One thing I'm finding is that the pipe sometimes used to freeze, like the PEX going through the ductwork if I don't use the propane furnace, because that's where they are. But since Alex closed this off, and I think I saw somebody else say it, well, the ground is like always like 50 degrees, right? So now it's closed off. It's not heating under there, but it's keeping it just warm enough to keep things from freezing. So same with the pump room. Everything's just dandy. I just, everything's running good, knock on wood. Now we haven't got into the big minus the big minus 25, minus 30 nights yet, but that's coming. I expect it's coming. I can't guarantee it's coming, but I expect that it's coming. So we'll see what happens there. But I'm confident. I'm not worried. I brought my gloves with because I thought I was going to bring an armful of wood in, but my wood box is still full from early this morning. As I got up, I was already up, and blah blah. So I just came out and got an armful of wood because this wood here, unfortunately, I left it. Obviously the snow's on it. I'm gonna go into town. I'm gonna buy a tarp specifically for my wood pile. The bigger one I think is like $10, so it's just a cheapie. I don't give a shit about it. But yeah, this is a pain in the balls with the snow on it. So once we get this garbage out of the way next weekend, into the dump, then the new wood, I may just get him to stack it in front of here, the garbage tin, because I can always get to the garbage thing from the side, so that I'm not covering this wood with the newer stuff. So because this wood's got to be burnt this year, so I should probably just save it for the woods for the outdoor fire, but. Anyway, I'm not having outdoor fires quite yet. So, yeah, so overall, I'm really impressed. Again, I'll say with Alex's work, it's been absolutely perfect. The wood stove, I've got it dialed in really good. I put a big chunk in, and it was still chunks in the wood stove after about 6 hours. So that was pretty good. They were burning. I'm not saying they went out or anything, but big chunks of coals. So, hey, man. You know what? Don't fix what ain't broke. Now, the only thing bad with the wood stove is I definitely need to replace the door seal stuff there. I don't think I have the right size in there, honestly. I think I bought the one too small because after it pinches a while, it's not sealing anymore. So I could see like in the cracks, between the door and the wood stove body itself. So that's letting in air, and that's not good. It can be even more efficient. So, but as I say, I'm very happy with the performance. I've got it dialed in pretty much. Once I get it loaded and get a decent flame going, even after I add a little bit of new wood, I pretty much shut, because it's getting enough leaking air, I can shut the damper right down, and then I actually use a flue as well. Some people say, well, you don't need both. Well, you guys don't grow up in the country. I know what I'm doing. So anyways, right now it's not, because I think I just threw some in there before. Actually, no, I need to put a piece. That was my intention. I was going to put a piece in. I just got these, there's kind of a little bit punky, but they'll burn. So just figure I can burn up as much as I can. Anyway, just a little low fire for today. I'm not getting into the, it's up right now. It's up to about, I said minus 15, but right now it's actually about minus 10, but it's going down tonight. So It was supposed to go down into minus 20s, but that seems to have changed. So, hey, I'll take that, right? Just give me a second here. How many minutes is this? I didn't really want to go much over 10 minutes. Okay, well, listen, why don't we end this? I'm just going to fire up a coffee. I've got some work to do on the online with the Starlink thing, and I got to put this laundry up on the line inside here. So there she just flames up nice and good, and think about what I'm going to have for supper. So there you go, folks. My update. Not much else going on. It's just everything's tickety-boo here, as they say. There's the light. Everything's tickety-boo here, as they say. Right on, eh? Winter of 2025. Oh, yeah, I guess I should say this to everybody out there. Happy New Year to everyone out there. Merry Christmas, if I forgot to put that out there. And what else? Yeah, we're going to have a good year, man. 2025 is going to be a rock and roll year, I think. Okay, so everyone be good to their fellow human. Please like, share, and subscribe. You want to help the channel out, there's links down in the description. And that's about it. Peace, long life, and live long and prosper. See you later, folks. Bye-bye.